In this video, I'm going to explain you how to use Monzo Overdraft. So as you can see, when you open a Monzo account, they take a look at your credit file to help them decide if they can lend to you. This is known as a soft search and will show up on your credit report as a quotation search. Now, as you can see, they can offer you an overdraft. We can switch it on when you sign up basically, or you can apply to turn it on later. And you can also choose your own limits. Now, as you can see, charges for using your overdraft. When using an arranged overdraft, we charge you interest on the amount you're overdrawn. The effective annual rate that they offer you will depend on your credit score and will be 90%, 29 or 39%. So basically that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys.